It's the 1st of December, so it's the start of the Christmas season, and it already started raining. It started raining since November, by the way, but it's really raining today to let us know that Christmas right there, right around the corner. We have 24 more days till Christmas. So this is not the intro. This is just a video, first video of Vlogmas Day 1 in Trinidad.
And we heading to church.
And we heading to church. Yeah. Sunday morning in a storm. Not just rain, it's a storm.
And we late too. So, see you later.
I ain't post a video in 2 months. So it's like I get camera shy. So welcome back to another video with your boy Justivian. Needs Vlogs was holding down the fort from in the beginning because I was camera I was camera shy. It has happened. It has happened. But yeah, we'll get back in groove. It's the weather right now. It is up. But this is literally yeah, that is the weather right now. We are Nate's Vlogs there.
Hi guys, I'll be doing Vlogmas. Please stay tuned to watch me. It's been a year or more since I haven't vlogged.
Alright, nice. And then we have Rosini back there. She's shy too. And we Port of Spain. Port of Spain. Port of Spain. This is Central Bank. I made me driving so they really can't see it. Alright, so this is Central Bank Museum. Right. That's the Nicholas Tower right there. Oh, it looks nice. That's a nice view. Look the TNT Spirit over there. That's the port. So these are the oh, that's the Cabo Star right there. That boat is that's the Panama Canal Cabo Star ship. That boat does take trucks and containers and heavy it is heavy cargo. So yeah. So if you know you wanna go to Tobago with a truck as a ship, you have to take it. Like this truck for example. As a lighthouse. And this is City Gate, this is the bus station. Alright. And yeah.
Well guys, we heading back home. Justivian.
Hey, I don't drive like this, huh?
Up under the wheel, yeah. But look at
it's gears, right? It's this.
It's gears.
So I have to be alert and I have to be like this.
No, but he pushed the seat right up and he like to laugh at me.
Because I can't see. It's white.
Yeah, look